Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to scan QR code on any Android device. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so there are two ways in scanning a QR code on your device. So the first way is by opening the camera application on your device. And by the way, on some devices, once you've hovered the QR code to the frame, it automatically shows the link. But on my device and some other devices, it may not show any link or any clickable links that when you tap, it will open, just like this one. As you can see, it doesn't show any link. It doesn't scan the QR code. But there is a setting on the top most of the screen. As you can see, there is the flash icon, HDR, AI, and the magic wand for the filters. And right next to it, there is a square-like figure that has a circle in the middle. That is the Google Lens. You can just go ahead and tap that. And by the way, on some devices, you might need to access the settings, such as by tapping the gearbox or the gear icon. But on my device, a Redmi Note 10s, you don't need to go to the settings option. And as you can see, once I tap it, it opens the Google Lens. And when I hover the QR code and put it in the frame, it shows the link. And you can tap that. And you will go to the link that you've scanned. Okay, so that is the first way. And for the second way, let's go back. As you can see on my screen, there is a QR and barcode scanner. It is an application that you can download, but also in this device, it is already installed once you buy it. Let's go ahead and try and open it. And as you can see, it acts like a camera, but you cannot take photos. Instead, you can just scan QR codes or barcodes. And let's try scanning. And as you can see, once you've scanned it, it will show the link or the URL that you can tap onto. And once you've tapped it, it will open the link. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.